Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make viral AI videos for free using tools like Canva AI, VO3, Gemini, Hailuo AI, and ChatGPT. So it is perfect for content creators, marketers, and beginners looking to level up in 2025. So first, you can go to Gemini or ChatGPT to create a prompt from your videos, and then you can just find any AI tools that you use a lot. Here, I'm going to use Canva AI. You can just open Canva and go to the Canva AI in here, and then describe your prompt or your idea in here. So for example, I'm going to create this video, a cute little pink monster enjoying sailing on a boat in a river between sheer Venice with fluffy fur, big eyes, and smiling mouth in the style of Pixar. I'm going to just go this, and you can just click on this to submit, and just wait until the AI finish creating your videos. So apparently I cannot use Pixar. I'm going to just go with this without the Pixar keyword. Okay, so now the video is done. You can preview the result by clicking on it and press the play button. And this is the result for my AI videos with this prompt. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.